Hey guys, it's me, James from gigapress.net. Today, we're going to be learning how to save changes without publishing in WordPress. Today's video is brought to you by Breakdance, the modern visual website builder for WordPress. It's easy for beginners to learn and powerful enough for the most advanced professionals. Breakdance is loaded with features, including a premium pre-made template library, a robust form builder, AI content writing capabilities, a versatile pop-up builder, and seamless WooCommerce integration. Whether you're just starting your WordPress journey or you're a seasoned pro looking for a better builder for your agency, now is the perfect time to build better websites with Breakdance. Try it today and experience the Breakdance difference. When you update a published post in WordPress, changes are immediately pushed live, which can be problematic if you're making significant edits that need more time. Fortunately, by using a Revisionize plugin, you can save changes without publishing, allowing you to continue editing without affecting the live version of your content. To install and activate the plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. Use the search bar and type Revisionize. Click the Install Now button and then click Activate. Then, on the left panel, go to Posts and select All Posts, or Pages, and then All Pages. Locate the live post or page you like to edit and hover your mouse over it. You should see a new Revisionize option. In this case, I'm going back to All Posts, then clicking Revisionize from one of my posts. Clicking that link will clone your post into a new revision draft. All the original post's content and metadata will be copied, including featured images, categories, tags, custom fields, etc. If you're going back to the post section, you can then edit the revision draft just like any other post, saving your progress as needed. When you're ready to go live, simply publish the post. As you can see in the top right corner, this post is now live. If you see it in the post section, it overwrites the original post on your site. You can also schedule the post for a future date, which will overwrite the original post at the date and time you specify. I recommend exploring the settings to ensure the plugin's functionality suits your workflow. In your dashboard, go to Settings and select Revisionize. By default, after publishing, Revisionize will keep a backup of your previously published live post. It will be stored as a draft and marked as a revision. If you'd rather not clutter your drafts with these backups, you may want to disable this feature. You can also choose whether you'd like to preserve the original date of the post. If you disable this option, the post date will be modified to match the date of the revision. Likewise, you can choose to preserve the original author or reassign the post to the author of the revision, if different. The plugin author also offers paid add-ons to further extend the functionality. And that's it. With the Revisionize plugin, you can easily save your edits without publishing immediately, making it a must-have tool for anyone managing live content. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.